Good morning children. Today we will see the prime and composite numbers. First let's see the factors of the number from 1 to 10. Okay. So first the factor of 1 is 1 alone. Again factor of 2 is 1 and 2. Factor of 3 is 1 and 3. Factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Factor of 5 is 1 and 5. Factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factor of 7 is 1 and 7. Factor of 8 is 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factor of 9 is 1, 3 and 9. Factor of 10 is 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay, if you see here one is having only one factor. Again, if you see 2, 3, 5, 7, these numbers have only two factors. Again, all the other numbers are having more than two factors. Okay, so by observing this, we can conclude this. You see, whichever is having the two factors, the factors are the 1 and the number itself. Okay, for 2, 1 is a factor and the number 2. Again, for 3, 1 is a factor and the number 3. Again, for 5, 1 is a factor and number 5. For 7, 1 is a factor and number 7. So, you can observe here. So, which are the numbers which are having two factors? They have the factors 1 and itself. Okay, so these numbers are called, that is 2, 3, 5, 7. So like this, if the numbers are having only two factors, that is 1 and itself, they are called prime numbers. They are called prime numbers. Prime numbers. Again, if you see 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, these numbers are having more than two factors. So they are called composite numbers. Composite numbers. So if any number is having only two factors, they are called prime numbers. If they are having more than two factors, they are called composite numbers. Then what happened to the 1? 1 is not having two factor or more than two factor. It is having only one factor. So which group we can include? We cannot include in prime numbers and we cannot also include in composite numbers. Okay, so it is neither prime nor composite. One is neither prime nor composite. One is neither prime nor composite. Okay, so remember, 1 we cannot include in this group. We cannot include anywhere. Okay, and other numbers like this, all the numbers we can go on. Okay, so there are not only this prime number, there are many prime numbers are there. You have to find out which are the prime numbers. Again, composite numbers are more than the prime numbers. That also you can find out easily by looking its factors. Okay, now let me see. From here I will give a hints now how are the questions can be asked. Here in prime numbers, if you see like this way, if it goes, only 2 will be odd from here. Okay, 2 will be the different one. All others will be the odd numbers except 2. All the other prime numbers will be odd number. You can search and find out. There is no even numbers or prime numbers. Only 2 is a prime number. Only 2 is a even prime number. So you must know 2 is an even prime number. Even prime number. So question can be asked. Don't forget, it is an even prime number. It is only one even prime number. All the other prime numbers are odd numbers. Okay, so don't forget. And another way also this question can be asked. Smallest prime number. Smallest prime number. So 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number, and this can also be asked smallest even prime number. Again, another way question can be asked smallest odd prime number. Odd prime number. So odd prime number, which will be the odd prime number? So the smallest odd prime number is 4. The smallest odd prime number is 4. Again, the smallest composite number is 4. Smallest even composite number. Smallest composite number is 4. Again, smallest even composite number also 4. Again, smallest odd composite number. Okay, smallest odd composite number is 9. Okay, smallest, let me give. Sorry, here I had written wrong. Smallest odd prime number 4 I wrote. It is, I said 3 but I wrote 4. Okay, so smallest odd prime number is 3. Again, smallest even, otherwise even composite number, otherwise composite number, that is 4. Smallest even composite number is 4. This can be also asked smallest composite number. Again, smallest odd composite number is 9. Okay, this can be asked in filling the blanks. Okay, don't be confused, and just keep in mind. Okay, read 2-3 times, and without seeing also just keep in mind smallest prime number, smallest even prime number, smallest odd prime number, like that you just remember 2-3 times. If you remember 2-3 times, automatically it will be by hearted. You no need to memorize, sit and memorize. Okay, this can be asked in filling the blanks and choose the best answer. So in choose the best answer, all answer will be mixed and given, so you will be confused. So keep clear in your mind. Okay, again, now to find the prime numbers, how to find the prime numbers. First I will teach from 1 to 50 what are the prime numbers and how to find. The same way you do for 1 to 100. Okay, so I will make a column and I will teach you. Okay, so to find out the prime numbers between 1 to 50, I have written in columns and rows from the number from 1 to 50. Okay, from here we will follow some rules and find out the prime numbers. First, 1 is neither prime nor composite number, so let's cross 1. Okay, then after that we have to cross the numbers multiple of 2. Multiples of 2. Okay, so multiples of 2 means that are even numbers. So all the even numbers let's cross out. Okay, so 2 is a even number. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Again 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Okay, we finish crossing out the multiple of 2. Then let's sorry, we should not cross 2. Okay, so 2 we have to circle 2 and all other remaining multiples of 2 we have to cross out. Okay, now we have to circle 3 and cross out all the other multiples of 3. Okay, so we shall circle 3 and we have to cross out all the multiples of 3. So already 6 is crossed out. Now 9, then 12, after that 15, 18 is cross out, then 21, 24 is cross out, 27, 30 is cross out, 33, again 36 is cross out, 39, 42 is cross out, 45, again 48 is already cross out. Okay, so multiples of 3 is already cross out. Now we have to circle 5 and we have to cross out the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. So first you have to circle 5, then you have to cross out all the multiples of 5. So multiples of 5 will be ending with 5 and ending with 0. Okay, so that is this row and this row. Okay, already this row is already cut, so we have to cross out only this row, that is this and this. Only these two are without crossing out. Now we have to circle 7 and we have to cross out the multiple of 7. Okay, so let's circle 7 and we have to cross out the multiples of 7. So multiples of 7 is 7, 14 already cross out. Again 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 eights are 42, 7 sevens are 7 6 are 42, 7 sevens are 49. So let's cross out 49. Okay, now next is, that's all. Okay, only up to 7 if you do, you are getting all the prime numbers between 1 to 50. Okay, all the other remaining, now 11, this is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number. Whatever is not cross out, they are the prime numbers. 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Okay, this you have to memorize all the all these numbers. So from 1 to 10 there are 4 prime numbers. 1 to 10 there are 4 prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, 1 to 10 there are 4 prime numbers. Again from 11 to 20 also 4 prime numbers, that is 11, 13, 17, 19. 11, 13, 17, 19. Again 21 to 30 there are 2 prime numbers, that is 23 and 29. 2 prime numbers, 23 and 29. Again from 31 to 40 there are 2 prime numbers, that is 31 and 37. 2 prime numbers, 31 and 37. Again from 41 to 50 there are 3 prime numbers, that is 41, 43, 47. So these numbers you remember, then you remember, you try to remember all these numbers. Okay, in 3 everything is coming except 33. In 7 also everything is coming except 27. Okay, in 9 these 2 are there. Again in 11 except 1 and 21 everything is there. 5 only 1. So this is the way you remember. 4, 4, 2, 2, 3. 4, 4, 2, 2, 3. Okay, so this you have to by heart. By all means you must know the prime numbers between 1 to 100. You must know. Okay, now for time being I am giving 1 to 50. You try to from 50 to 100 only few numbers are there, that also you find out. This is the same way, by crossing you can find out. Okay, and find out other prime numbers also and by heart it. 1 to 50 is compulsory, you have to do. So I will be asking in the exam, I will be asking, write the prime numbers between 1 to 50. Okay, now here you see, here if you see, next numbers are called consecutive numbers. You have learnt already. The next number, now if 1 is there means the next number is 2. So 1 and 2 is a consecutive numbers. Now if you take 13, the next number is 14. So 13 and 14 is a consecutive numbers. So now if you look at the prime numbers, only one pair is there, they are consecutive, that is 2 and 3. Only 2 and 3 that pair is the consecutive prime numbers. They are the consecutive prime numbers. Again between two prime numbers, if they have only one composite number, if they have only one composite number between two prime numbers, they are called twin prime numbers. Okay, now if you see the prime numbers 5 and 7, there is between only one composite number, that is 6. So between them only one composite number is there. So this 5 and 7 is the twin prime numbers. So 5 and 7, they are called the twin prime numbers. twin prime numbers, twin primes, otherwise twin prime numbers. Okay, the same way you can say 17 and 19, 11 and 13, 41 and 43. Okay, if we twin prime numbers, if you minus, the difference is 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 19 minus 17, 2. 43 minus 41, 2. Okay, so these are twin prime numbers. And 2 and 3 is a consecutive prime numbers. 2 and 3 is a consecutive prime number. Consecutive primes. Consecutive primes. Okay, another one, if two numbers, if you take any two numbers, if they have only one as a common factor, they don't have any other common factor, they are called co-primes, otherwise relatively primes. Now, let me take 3 and 4. If you take 3 and 4, the factors of 3 is 1 and 3. The factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. And if you see the common factor here, only 1. Only 1 is the common factor. So, like this way, if any two numbers, if they have only 1 as a common factor, they are called co-primes, otherwise relatively prime. Relatively prime. Relatively prime numbers. Okay, so remember what is twin prime numbers, consecutive prime numbers, again co-primes, otherwise relatively prime numbers. Okay, let's see now prime factorization in the next video. Thank you.